Okay, my friend, welcome to my one more video, and here I'm going to show you with no delay how to record your screen. First of all, this video is made for users of Windows 7 or Windows 10, and we are going to download the VSDC video editor. This is going to be very useful, not only for screen recording, but also for editing our videos. And this about editing, we are going to talk later, okay? But first of all, let's go to how to download the VSDC file. To start downloading the VSDC, you are going to go to your browser and open videosoftdev.com, okay? This web link here. And then you're going to stop over this landing page, click on Downloads, Video Editor, and look for the version of your Windows. In my case, I'm using Windows 7 64-bit, so I'm going to click here. It's going to start downloading the file, and as I have it, I'm going to just cancel. Once you have it, just click on the installing procedures, finish the installation, and open your software. In my case, this is my software here opened. And once your software is open, don't get crazy with this all images here. Just go to Tools and Screen Capture. Here you can select the area of the screen you want to record and just do whatever you want. As you can see, I'm using it and I'm recording my voice and the screen at the same time, so you can do so too. Okay, so I hope I have helped. Take care, all the best. See you soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, right? All the best for you. Take care.